Now I've noticed on a lot of the videos I've seen, and a lot of my videos, is you get a lot of wind noise when you try to go outside and make a video, or if you put a camera on a car and it goes through and it just makes a bunch of wind noise and you can't get a good video for anything. So I'm going to show you how to kind of help eliminate the wind noise as best you can with just a small piece of foam and a rubber band. Can't get any simpler or cheaper than that. First, what you're going to want to do is just cut a small chunk of foam out. That'll be fine right there. And then find out where your microphone is on your camera. Now on this one, it's right here. So what I want to do is put the foam just over that microphone, and then take my rubber band and slide it on it. Get it in there good. Now that alone right there will cut down on the wind noise quite a bit. It's cheap, it's easy, it's completely reversible. So you don't have to glue it on there. You could if you wanted to. It wouldn't hurt nothing, but you'd have a piece of foam stuck to your camera. So I guess that's a redneck way to get rid of wind noise on your camera. So now you can make nice videos. You know, I'm telling you, I'm really liking this little stand here, this mount. Comes in handy for everything. Well, that looks doable. I knew I could do it. I don't know why I did it, but I knew I could. I could probably actually go higher. Well, maybe that's it. Still looks cool though. Pretty shitty day out today, but I think I can still get it higher. Let's find out. I can get her higher, but the problem is the back wheel comes off the ground and she won't stay there. Oh well, probably a good view anyway.